welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 1st of April, 2019.
Hi, everybody. Happy birthday, Tangy.
Alrighty, happy birthday, Tangy. Big 21, right, Red?
I don't know, it's April 1st. That could be an April Fool's joke there.
So 21, just like me and you.
Oh, yeah,
All
I
right.
look it too.
Another month gone. Another month has gone by. Went quickly, didn't it?
Whoosh. When you're busy, what else?
Busy.
busy, you're just gone.
About busy here in the shop. Let's move on. It moved back to hot chocolate, man. The cool weather moved in. Just
cold tonight.
It's gone. 1st of April, and it's chilly. Alrighty, this week in the shop, completed projects. Completed projects. All we got to talk about really.
Yep.
It was busy this week. Busy.
Yep.
We did the finished up on the James and the Giant Peach prop bed and James and the Giant Peach tree. That was a big couple of builds there. Bed not so much as that tree. The tree was really a big build. Had a great time doing it though. Yeah,
I did. I had fun.
So a lot of work, a lot of stuff that we did on that one. So we went in and we dropped the actual props off today. Dropped the tree off in the bed at the actual stage.
Yeah. And got to see them putting together the peach.
Yeah, and they were putting together the peach when we got there. And we also we got a little gift from her. We got 4 tickets for the play this weekend. So that'd be me, you, Butterbean, and I guess Tangy's going.
Tangy was talking about coming.
So yeah, we got 4 tickets for that, and then we got a video, a CD, of the last production that they did that we did the tables for. So looking forward to seeing that.
That's gonna be cool. I'm gonna put that on my.
We didn't get to go to that because that was, I think, on the weekend we were going to a show, so we didn't get to see that. But that's really all we got to talk about this last week was the James and the Giant Peach build. We were every day on that.
Every day
working on that. So a lot of work. So let's move on and talk about what's upcoming. Upcoming for Two Dogs. Still waiting on an answer from Sharon Shenanigans. Have not heard back from you yet.
Well, it was supposed to be in on the 31st, so
maybe
today's the 1st.
They're just going through the applications now. Next thing up, clean up in the shop after the Giant Peach build, the bed prop build, and the tree build. There is foam, spray foam everywhere. It's everywhere in the shop. Everywhere
stuck to all kinds of
stuff.
Drip.
Literally, it's everywhere. So we got a lot of cleanup to do in here. A lot of chicken wire.
Chicken wire, yeah.
Here, right on the floor. I thought they got picked up. So big cleanup in the shop. We're cleaning up. Why? Because we're moving on to the next project. Next project on the list is going to be Kimmy and Daniel's outside table.
Yep.
We're going to be making off one of them big wire spool things. Y'all know them big old wooden wire spools. We're going to make a table out of one that we got sitting out here in the yard. Looking forward to that. What's that going to be? About maybe 6 foot, 5 foot in the
5 foot, something like that, yeah.
Big old table we're going to build. We're going to start working on that this week, getting some stuff done on that. Kind of simultaneously, or maybe just after we get that build started for Kimmy and Daniel, we got to build a couple of plant stands, vase stands. What are we going to call those things we're building for your buddy?
That would be plant stands, or vase to sit on top. Is going to be a 12 by 12 square,
top,
and then it's just going to have column
on a 12 by 12 base.
And it's not going to have walls. It's just going to have 4 little posts, either that or 1 single post.
Yeah, so we're going to have to work on that and see what we're going to do. That's going to be an interesting build. Looking forward to that. Now that's a wedding in
Well, actually, it should be June 1st because we're doing all the decorating on May 31st, which is a Friday because the wedding's on Saturday.
Alrighty, so we've got 2 months to do that. Still have to nail down the particulars on that. We've talked to her. We're not really entirely sure what it is that she's wanting, except that we know she wants about, what, 4
foot tall, 12 by 12.
12-inch top on it, 12-inch bottom, and then some type of column in the center. We're not sure if the column's going to be lit, so we've got a lot of work to do on that. Be an interesting process to watch. Alrighty. And then I think that's really about it for the cleanup and everything that we've got to do in the shop. Well, that's just about it for this evening. Do you have anything, Red?
Just to wish Tangy a very happy birthday. Hope her day went really great, and we hope to see him soon to work on some more stuff for their wedding.
Yeah, because that's right. They were up a little bit, doing a little bit. Maybe we get to do some more work on it. Alrighty, guys. Well, that really is about it for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.